Hello everyone! Tuna is a popular seafood option enjoyed worldwide for its rich flavor and nutritional value. Belonging to the mackerel family, tuna are large, fast-swimming fish found in oceans across the globe. There are several popular types of tuna, each with its own distinct characteristics. Albacore is known for its mild flavor and high omega-3 fatty acid content, often canned in water or oil. Bluefin, considered the king of tuna due to its rich, meaty flavor and high demand, has unfortunately been significantly impacted by overfishing. Yellowfin is a versatile option with a slightly stronger flavor than albacore, commonly used in sushi and sashimi. Skipjack, the most abundant and affordable type of tuna, is often canned in water or oil. Tuna is a nutritional powerhouse, offering a range of health benefits. It is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart health, brain function, and reduce inflammation. As an excellent source of protein, tuna helps build and repair tissues. It also provides vitamin B12, essential for nerve function and red blood cell production, and selenium, an antioxidant that protects cells from damage. Tuna's versatility makes it a favorite in cuisines worldwide. Canned tuna is a convenient option for salads, sandwiches, and pasta dishes. Fresh tuna is a staple in Japanese cuisine, used in sushi and sashimi. Grilled or broiled tuna steaks are a delicious and healthy main course. Tuna steaks can also be pan-seared, baked, or grilled. Due to overfishing, it's important to choose sustainable tuna options. Look for labels like the Marine Stewardship Council or the Friend of the Sea to ensure the tuna was sourced responsibly. Tuna is a delicious and nutritious fish that can be enjoyed in a variety of ways. By choosing sustainable options and preparing it thoughtfully, you can savor this seafood favorite while supporting healthy oceans. That's all for now. See you in next video. Goodbye.